With Bitcoin-friendly leadership on the horizon, ETC and mining is turning cloud computing power into a mainstream, green, and accessible digital approach for investors worldwide. Jerome Powell's term as Federal Reserve Chair will end next year. His successor is likely to be a cryptocurrency enthusiast. 5 potential successors to Powell, and optimistically, all of them endorse cryptocurrency. The collective endorsement of Bitcoin by these 5 Fed chair candidates has triggered a full-scale awakening of the cloud mining sector in 2025, placing ETC mining at the forefront of this trend. ETC mining has launched a powerful cloud computing power plus green energy mining model. Driven by favorable policies and capital inflows, cloud mining has officially leaped from an alternative to a mainstream tool. With its verifiable green mining farms, low barrier to entry participation model, and stable profit structure, ETC mining has quickly become the optimal path for BTC holders to obtain pre-price cash flow. While traditional mining farms remain constrained by equipment costs, power supply limitations, and geographical restrictions, ETC mining has standardized, productized, and contractualized computing power, truly enabling ordinary investors to enjoy institutional-level computing power benefits. This means that by 2025, mining will no longer be an exclusive domain of tech enthusiasts, but a new type of yield asset accessible to global investors. Cloud mining will usher in an era of widespread adoption. It means that digital assets are no longer just an alternative investment, but are about to officially enter the legitimate asset reserve tier of the global macro-financial system. As the highest policy voice shifts towards a supportive stance, market sentiment and capital allocation are reshaped, entering a new round of structural incremental cycles. In this wave, the first to benefit are not traders, but those who have locked in the core underlying assets, computing power and mining revenue rights in advance. Therefore, the reason why ETC mining's user base has grown rapidly in the past 3 months is that market awareness has undergone a significant shift from buying coins and waiting for prices to rise to holding coins and mining. About ETC mining. ETC mining is a global blockchain infrastructure provider focusing on green energy plus cloud computing power, dedicated to transforming computing power, a core resource, from being exclusive to institutions to becoming an accessible underlying digital asset right for everyone. Through deep cooperation with clean energy mining farms in Canada and Northern Europe, the platform standardizes real mining machine computing power into purchasable contract products, allowing users to obtain continuous mining revenue without the need for mining farm construction, equipment procurement, or technical maintenance. As a next-generation computing power service platform, ETC mining achieves transparent and verifiable computing power mapping through on-chain verification mechanisms, ensuring stable and secure revenue settlement. It also supports free settlement in multiple mainstream cryptocurrencies such as USDT, BTC, ETH, and XRP, providing global users with a long-term sustainable passive income channel. Since 2019, the platform has served over 7 million users worldwide. How to join ETC mining. Step 1. Quick registration. Visit the website https://etkermining.com or mobile app and register using your email address. Your account will be activated within seconds, without complex identity verification. Step 2. Choose a contract. You can freely choose mining contracts with different terms and amounts based on your funds and profit goals, from entry-level contracts to high-yield contracts. Step 3. Deposit and activate major digital assets such as BTC, ETH XRP, and USDT are supported for deposit. After depositing, mining can be activated with one click, requiring no hardware installation. Step 4. Automatic profit generation. After contract activation, the system will automatically allocate computing power and run 24/7. Profits are settled daily and deposited into your account. Users can withdraw or reinvest at any time, requiring no maintenance. Future vision with all 5 Federal Reserve Chair candidates unanimously supporting Bitcoin. This means that the biggest structural opportunity in the coming years will shift from asset speculation to infrastructure holding. ETC mining is at the center of this trend, helping ordinary users also access the underlying benefits that originally belonged to institutions and large miners. The future competition in the crypto market will no longer be about who holds more Bitcoin, but rather who can control the underlying productivity. As computing power and green energy gradually become the new digital financial infrastructure, ETC mining's mission is not only to provide users with stable returns, but also to reshape the relationship between individual investors and the blockchain industry. 5 potential successors to Fed Chair. Jerome Powell are reportedly Bitcoin-friendly, signaling stronger institutional support for cryptocurrency. ETC mining's cloud mining model combines green energy and standardized computing power, making mining accessible to individual investors. By turning computing power into a verifiable digital asset, ETC mining enables stable passive income and positions users to benefit from the growing crypto infrastructure market.